Alright guys, so I swear there was an Allen wrench in here that I needed. Oh look, there it is, there it is. Okay, so the dilemma I've got right now is, oh, it's not even the right one. Dang it, I swear I have the right one, I just don't know where to put it. What the heck? Alright, well, I'm not worrying about it. So my dilemma is, when I put this thing in, I didn't put Loctite on these bolts here, but then I tried to put Loctite on them with that adapter, and that did not work. So I'm gonna pull this off, and I'm gonna weld this directly to that, because I don't want it to vibrate. And it's very annoying because when I drive down the road, it makes like a type sound, and I don't like it. So I'm gonna take this shift knob off, which is just as easy as spin 2, 3. And that guy comes off super easy. Ba-bam! Holy cow, that is loose! Oh my goodness. No wonder the shifter was loose. That's terrible. Come take a look at this, Rob. Just look at my shifter and tell me what you think about it.
Hold this dog.
All right, I'm holding the dog. Come look at my shifter and tell me what you think about it.
Oh my god, dog. How much did you pay for this car?
$600?
That's right.
No, I put that in myself.
No, I'm saying, but like, do you ever just buy a $600 car and like everything is all together? Because no,
I did that myself.
No, I'm saying like,
like I installed that shifter, it just got loose. It's the bestest car in the world.
you still gonna weld it?
Yeah.
I don't know why Gavin doesn't want you to weld it.
Because he wants me to do it with a bolt, and that's not gonna work because I've already done it with a bolt. He doesn't realize that I have. Here's your dog.
That's not my dog.
All right, well, I'm gonna take that mug out and weld it. So I'm hoping that this is the right size. Oh, sweet, it is. All right, so there's one. Actually, these are all hand tied. I could just loosen all these with my hand. That's great. I should have used Loctite. Never recommend not using Loctite. If you've watched the video of me installing it and saying, I'm not gonna use Loctite, I'll do it later. Should have did it then. Don't listen to me ever. That's not a good idea. Here's my gasket, the one that was kinda on. Here's the whole shift bushing. Yeah, this is bad. I'll now take credit for being terrible. I'll pull this bushing out of the shifter. All right, so the bushing's out. I'm gonna put the bushing right there. Then I get to take this out. So I'm gonna go in and unbolt this in a bit.
I'm always a winner. Even if I fall, I can still get bigger. The definition of a champion. Definition of a champion. Everyone's a winner. If you fall, get up, you can still get bigger. The definition of a champion. Definition of a champion. No.
Right, so I bolted this thing back in, got it all welded up. Well, it looks ugly because I just wanted it to hold. I don't care what it looks like. And I put that guy on there. All I want it to do is to hold. So if it holds, I'm happy and I got what I wanted. I really hope this is on the right way. You know what? It's not. It's totally not. Gotta spin the whole thing around. Now it should be on fairly right. Dang it, man, this is ass. All right, I gotta put this thing on all the way like it should be. There we go. Now I can put it on. A shifter in neutral. Now I can put this thing on. All right, 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 1 bolt, 2 bolt. All right, now I just gotta get around this flange here. All right, now we're good. We're in place. Sweetness. Groovy doovy, booby, booby, spooby. Groovy doobie, booby, booby, spooby, spooby in the booty. Aw, gone forever. Aw. I have a flat tire? Yeah, this one right here. Let me look at it, because it sounds about right. Yeah, it is low, for sure. I'm just gonna put the radials on it. Man, this is terrible. I'm trying to do one thing, trying to get stuff done. Literally everything goes wrong. You know what? I can't even get anything back here. So, I do this, bend the seat down. Hopefully I can find my bolt. Come on, bolt, where are you? To what is your location? Oh, I feel something. It's a fuse. That's a whole lot of nothing. I'm gonna be real with you. I found it, but I can't reach it. Got it. All right. So now I can put this back and slide this all the way back. And then bolt this in, the last bolt. So now it's a solid shifter and it should no longer make the clickety-click sound, which is great. And now all I gotta do is put this back in and it's good as, not new, but like I had it before. Perfect. All right, installing this nitrous kit is simple as find something you can drill into it, bore it out a little bit because it's not big enough. All right, so now we can put this nozzle. Make sure you face the nozzle pointed towards the intake, so that way there's no problem there. And then I'm gonna use a washer and a nut, push it all the way through. Then I'm gonna use this nut right here, tighten that inside of that boot. This is actually extremely easy. I said this is actually extremely easy.
Yeah, it's really not bad. It's like the easiest nitrous kit that you'll ever install.
It is dry shot, but it's whatever.
Yeah, there you go. Damn, Poe, you got it perfect. Actually, you got to put a washer on the other side too. Well, you might not actually need to.
I'm Gucci, we're good.
Let me wiggle it. Let me feel inside. Let me just make sure that it's gonna hold. No, you're gonna have to put a washer in there.
Oh, big oof.
Or else that nut's gonna slip out whenever you shoot the shot through it. Once you start putting nitrous through it, it's gonna blow it right out. I'm gonna grab a washer real quick. We'll put another washer on the inside.
You know what? I feel like I don't need this. That's robbing a lot of power, so we're just gonna leave that out.
Well, you kind of have to.
No, you don't.
Okay. Anyways, though, so now we're just gonna take the nozzle, put it in, like so.
You gotta squeeze that mug.
Take another washer, put inside, take the nut, put under, then we're going to tighten it now.
Professional redneck nitrous installers.
That is correct.
That's gotta be on the other side. There you go.
Now that
should work.
That is gonna be dope. Okay, now, next step, let me show you, Poe. Take this here line of nitrous.
Well, actually, I'm gonna button my intake back up.
Don't worry, you're in the hands of the best nitrous installer in the US of A.
How many cars are you blown up?
Oh, don't worry about that.
All right.
I said best nitrous installer.
In the USA.
You're not too worried about this here paint, are you?
What paint you talking
I
about?
was just saying, because this is braided stainless. Oops, I ain't wanting to get it all scratched.
I don't care. It doesn't even touch my belt if it's sitting down all the way. That's my cold air intake, son.
Can you grab me some wrenches?
I like how your wrenches are in a deep drawer.
Yeah, I'll rearrange things someday. Thank you, I'll do.
You're welcome. All right, so we're installing the nitrous here. Gavin's installing the line. What's happening here, if y'all not familiar, because Gavin likes to blow stuff up with nitrous. He just recently got addicted to it. It's as simple as, this is a complete like redneck bolt-on kit. Do not do your kit like this unless you're strictly wanting to have fun and are okay with blowing up your motor. This is a direct nozzle, no shot or anything like that. This is a direct, no solenoid, no nozzle. Like it's straight up, no restriction. Yeah, that is, we crack the bottle. Like we're just gonna crack the bottle just a little bit and it's gonna shoot nitrous. So there has to be a passenger and someone else to control the nitrous with this. So this is a two-man job and the car might blow up. And if it does, it's okay.
Oh, it's not gonna blow up. Don't worry, I already told you.
It's gonna run different since I have a different intake on it now too.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're not putting the filter on it?
No, it's gonna sound cool. Wanna hear it?
It's gonna sound like a trumpet.
If it sounds anything like my Tacoma, I'd be happy. No throttle. It just likes to stay at 2,000 RPM. It sounds great.
The new nitrous kit for the truck is called a professional fogger. This one is called the ghetto fogger.
The ghetto fogger.
There's the professional fogger with the whole kit, and this is all we need for our ghetto fogger. This is the ghetto fogger kit.
This is perfect.
We leave the bottle cool, and we don't have a bottle heater. What it's gonna allow is to not actually destroy the engine.
Yeah.
Because the nitrous is still gonna be cool inside, so it's not gonna be like a really like crazy hit. It'll be there.
I'm actually fine with that. You
Yeah,
want to
so
go take a test hit on the road?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay.
Big dope. That line's not going to get pinched or nothing. So we can set this down. Just make sure that's good. Yep, we're Gucci. Still good?
Yep. Oh wait. Hang on.
It shouldn't be hitting anything.
All right, now try it.
Why is it not closing? Oh, there it goes. I think that's it. I think that's all it's got.
Okay.
All right, we got nitrous.
Completely full.
Yeah, it's 10 pounds.
Oh no, it's actually,
It's actually more than 10
pounds.
pounds. All right, so I'm just gonna put it this way. We're only gonna wanna use it in second gear and third gear and fourth gear. Any gear past first, because with this open diff, my right tire just spins on first. You like the sounds my second gear makes?
It is really nice, yeah.
All right, so we can crack it a little bit in second.
Let's get down there some more and out of the way just in case something happens. I hate for it to be in town where a lot of people are around.
If it gets blown up, what I wanna do is as fast as we can take the nitrous off.
Oh yeah, it's not gonna blow up though, I promise.
Well, you never know. This is a virgin. This car is virginity's is now.
Also, don't try and shift hard whenever you're spraying.
Oh, not when I'm spraying.
Well, look, I'm telling you, tell me right before you're about to shift, and then I'll turn it off for you to shift, and then slowly shift. Don't bang gears in case there's nitrous left in there. I don't want to blow it up. So shift real slow into the next gear, and then ease onto the throttle. And again, after you're easing on the throttle after you shift, I'll crack it slow again.
Okay.
So just be very careful. Don't act stupid.
I love how we're doing this, and there's freaking National Guard just chilling. Helicopters, National Guard, police.
Around because we just had a tornado come through, and here we are making the best of it.
Yeah.
We got nitrous bottles and a V6 Mustang.
We're proving that you can do fun things even when the times are a little rough.
Everybody's up at 6 media, still grinding though. Hell yeah.
Always put in work. They're actually probably editing our videos right now.
Yeah.
I'm thankful for you guys, honestly. Thankful for the 6 Media guys. Y'all are great.
Oh yeah, I hate speaking on like, because it sounds biased because it is my company and everything, but the 6 Media has helped me so much, it's unreal.
We just had a giant tornado set and we both posted on the same exact day of the tornado because we have that backup.
If that would have happened when the tornado came through and everything, we would have been stuck. We wouldn't have been able to put out videos. We would have been in a bind. But we were able to continue uploading videos every single day because of 6 Media and having us on a schedule and putting us ahead and everything. So
there's stuff in the road all over the place. Like I'm just like bobbing and weaving. All right, you ready?
your back brakes are going out.
Oh no, the pad on that one's gone.
Oh, okay, good. Good.
I'm going to shift into first, go to second, and then we'll just bang it from second.
Okay, like I said, do not bang gears.
First, bang second,
Don't bang second, I'm telling you. Just put it in second. There you go.
All right, ready?
Ease into it.
Shift. slow, but it was a little bit faster. Is that bottle even full?
That was very, very, very small crack.
Okay, so we're just making sure it was working, because I felt a little bit of a difference, but it wasn't like the difference that y'all feel, if that makes any sense.
Like I said, that was very, very small. I just wanted to make sure that everything was hooked up and working right. If you want me to open it up a little bit more, I can. I'm just saying, I'm being very careful because I don't want to blow your stuff up. So you tell me what you want and I'll do it.
All right, I'll just be like little bit, shift.
Put it in a second. Okay, I'll slowly ease into it.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Let's go. More. Shift. More. Shift. Okay, so it definitely picked up speed fast. It wasn't like crazy.
Weird, though. I think the knife is just really cold because it's not hitting hard at all.
Oh, not at all. Not even a little bit. I feel it. It's like. It tries to get it, but like it doesn't pick it up. All right, ready? Shift. All right.
That was a pretty decent shot right there.
That wasn't bad, but I felt my bottom end. Did you feel it? It was like. Did you hear that? Oh boy, that's just as fun. I'm really not feeling too much of it because we haven't heated the bottle most likely. But all right, let's go. Okay, there it goes.
There it goes.
Shift. Go ahead.
Yep, there it goes.
All right. Did you feel me get onto it? Boy, my RPM stayed. Okay, whatever you did there just changed it. It actually hit that time. I mean, it's about to kill us.
He was. He did not even see us.
All right, ready?
And on.
Shift.
And on.
Oh, I felt it that time.
Yep.
Holy cow. Okay, it's definitely pulling.
All right, let's head back to the shop.
All right.